Hello guys, my name is Musammil Ali. I am the student of CS. Let's introduce all of you to my YouTube channel, Science and Tech Reviews. I warmly welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. While creating this channel, I had two major objectives inside my head. Let's discuss those two objectives one by one. So, the first major objective of our channel is that our channel will provide reviews on science and tech in an effective way. And the second major objective of our channel is that we'll try our best to get you apprised about current affairs. Let's shed light on each of objectives one by one. So the first one is science and tech. All sets up. Let's go. As all of us know that our world become global village. So for example, some event occurred somewhere far away, but we instantly get apprised about an event. Why? Do you know about it? Exactly. We instantly know because of technology. Our channel will provide you knowledge about those events and different scientific disclosures. Let's move on towards current affairs, which is our second major objective. Here we go. Current affairs. So what does exactly current affair means? Current affair basically means what's happening inside our world politically and physically, which events are occurring currently, which scientific disclosures and technology is getting discovered. We'll provide you knowledge about what's happening inside our world. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching our videos. I hope so you will enjoy our content.